Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. We're staying at the Palmerston North Holiday Park at the moment, doing our tour of Palmerston North and Wellington with Matariki shows, and we were fortunate enough to be near this very cute caravan, which is beautifully being called Pi Waka Waka. And as you can see, that's one of the words for fantail. There's actually also Pi Waiwaka and Ti Waiwaka amongst some of the others, but Pi Waka Waka is the name of this caravan, and the people Ella and Pai have told me that it's in memory of Ella's mum, so she was obviously a big fan of Pi Waka Waka. Beautiful caravan, beautifully kept, and just wanted to use that as a little pronunciation tip. Pi Waka Waka, Pi Waka Waka for fantail. So remember with your pronunciation to always make a break after every vowel, Pi Waka Waka, and to pronounce the vowels A, E, I, O, U. And if you want any more videos about learning te reo and pronunciation and phrases and sentences, please feel free to go to my site patreon.com/Sharon Holt. Ka kite.